Hello friends, welcome to my channel Savi Ruchi by Savi. Today I am going to prepare veg momos. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. To prepare momos, first I'll take one bowl of all-purpose flour, that is maida. I will add little salt, little oil. I am going to mix everything. Add little water and mix it properly. You can see dough is ready. Knead the dough for 1 minute. Take a wet mud cloth and close it. Rest it for 15 minutes. Till it's dressed, I will show the momos fillings. For veg momos stuffing, I have taken fine chopped cabbage, fine chopped carrot, fine chopped onions, fine chopped garlic and fine chopped green chilies. Now I have taken one kadai. I will add oil little. First I will add garlic fine chopped. Now I will add green chilies. Now I will add fine chopped onions. I will add fine chopped carrot. Now I will add fine chopped cabbage. Rotate everything. Now it is done. I will turn off the stove. Let it cool for some time. After cooling, I will add salt. Now it is rest for 15 minutes. I'll make small balls like this. Now it is cooled down. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and salt. Mix it everything. Now I'll take small balls. Just I'm going to roll this. Now take 1 spoon of filling. You will see, just take like this and hold it like this. Or it is. See, momos. I will show you one more design. Take the filling, put it like this. Take like this, fold it like this. Again. Do both the sides. Now take like this. Fold this on the top. Then take overlap like this. See, this is one more design. You can see momos are ready. I am going to steam this in a cooker. For steaming, I have taken like this type of bowl. Just I will apply little oil like this. I will arrange all the momos like this. I have made 2-3 designs. I have arranged it like this. keep it in the cooker like this. Close the lid. I'll steam it for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I will take out in a plate. You can see hot veg momos is ready. You can serve this with chutney. For chutney recipe, you can see my description box. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.